What's going on, guys? Today we are not in the shop. We are out on a field trip. We are at Lanier Technical College's Bodyshop Collision School. This is Damien. Damien is the lead instructor here, and he's invited us out for kind of a career day. And in our industry, the only way to really learn what this career is about is to get hands-on. So we brought one of our lead technicians, Matthew, and we're doing hands-on training, hands-on just talking about the business. Damien, what's it like when you get young students, they all want to own their own business and learn this? It's important for them to touch these things and learn these things, right?
It is. And also the aspects that you were talking about, what you look for in employees, things like that, it's great information for the students to learn. Not only are they getting a chance to kind of get hands-on with the stuff, but they're learning from a business owner what he's looking for in employees, which I think is very helpful.
And it's great because we know firsthand, one of our literally our lead PDR technician at our Athens store is Matthew Jordan. Matthew graduated from this class 7 years ago.
Former student.
And he went through a couple of different jobs, and we found him and he found us, and he's been a fantastic fit. But he had that body shop kind of background and that training. And so for us, it's really important to talk to young students, not only about potentially working with us in the future or working by themselves in this industry, but just honestly what's out there, kind of open their eyes a little bit about it. And most of them want to know what PDR is. So we get in here, we put some dents and hoods, and we fix them together. So.
And it's great for us to have a former student come back and be able to tell about his experience of, where he went with the training, how it, progressed to get in this field. So,
and
he's very useful.
He's a good instructor. He teaches a lot of our guys at the shop as well, so it's been great. But yeah, so thanks for having us. Thanks for letting us come out and do this. It's always fun to get out and have a little vacation from the shop. So.
It's always our pleasure.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.